Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, how are you? Want to make your Windows Taskbar transparent? In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to do it using TranslucentTB. Okay, it's very simple, so let's get started. First of all, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. Now search for TranslucentTB. TranslucentTB. Look this app. Find TranslucentTB and click on it. Okay, now click get or install and wait for the installation to finish. Okay, once it's installed, click open. You select continue and that's it. As you can see, the Windows Taskbar is now completely transparent. And that how easy it is to make your Windows Taskbar transparent using TranslucentTB. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorial. Thanks for watching.